Okay. Everyone has renamed. I think you put your name and then country. So that will be the first name, country, or country name, and your first name. Anybody joined from outside MNPS? Please raise your hand. Guru Kaur. Yes, please rename yourself with a name also, not just country name. Okay. So we have, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people joining from outside. Your you, okay, we can have a introduction of the people who has joined from outside at least. Gurnoor Kaur, please let me allow you to unmute your mic. Sorry. Okay. Still people are joining. So everyone can unmute their mic now. I mean, whenever needed. Yeah, but don't unmute. I mean, we'll get to you for unmuting. Okay, so who you remember last time uh, task given about the lockdown happening in different countries, and there were three options: continue the lockdown, stop the lockdown. I mean, discontinue the lockdown, continue the lockdown, or the third thing, if you were the authority of the country, right? So yeah, maybe everyone put your hands down first. So who would like to go first and speak? USA? Would you like to go first and speak? Bangladesh? Yeah, who wants to speak now? Please raise your hand.
The Team Malaysia.
Team Malaysia. Just a second. 1 minute, 1 minute. I think I have to.
Sir, Team USA.
Team Malaysia. Team Malaysia, sir.
Sorry, sorry. I had to plug my laptop into charging. Yeah, so Team Malaysia, Sahil, you want to speak first? USA, right? USA, you raise your hand first. Okay, let everybody mute your mic, please. Yeah, okay. USA, yes, you can speak the first. Yeah. Team Malaysia want to speak? Kunal want to speak?
Yes, sir, we are ready.
Yeah, yes, please. Yes, Kunal.
So, first of all, good evening, my fellow competitors. According to me, according to our team, the extending the lockdown in certain areas is a solution because as a solution, the people can, the people of Malaysia can take help from the neighboring countries and if their condition is to help others, they will definitely do this. And we are knowing that Malaysia's migrant workers nowadays is suffering from a food crisis more than a COVID. So their citizens are facing a lot of food crisis. Therefore, we would like to give a solution that the we can take help from big UN agencies and other NGOs to support us. As a supportive role, UN will definitely do that to support mankind and humanity.
Okay.
And why, and sir, why we have chosen that extending the lockdown in certain areas, because we can focus the main where it's spreading COVID-19 increasing very fast, where which place is affecting lots of people, and that's why we can focus there, and we can stop only from there. If the people they are not facing COVID-19 and they are still in home, they are still in lockdown, they are feeling very frustrated, and they are also in a need food shortage, and like they are thinking that I why I am in lockdown, why I'm in at home now. So extending in lockdown in a certain area is a solution, and by this we can feel positive, and
Mhm. Yeah, sure. Okay.
the
So I understand. So extending lockdown, but not to all areas, some areas, and depending on the contamination level. So wherever there is a lot of contamination, there should be more strict lockdown, and it can taper off accordingly, right? Okay. So thank you, Team Malaysia. You
yeah.
can lower your hand. And next, which team want to speak, please? I think USA raised your hand. Who who wants to speak? A few people have unmuted their mic.
So Team Malaysia,
Team?
Team Malaysia has another point that
Hmm.
we can convert our government sectors which are closed during the lockdown to COVID-19 solution for hospitals, where we can provide fastest medical service and accurate to detect the virus, so
Okay.
that we can speed up the treatment of the patients of this pandemic virus.
So convert the government sectors to healthcare.
Yes, sir.
May I speak, sir?
Yes, yes, please.
Team Malaysia.
Yeah.
I have one more point that Malaysia has 406 isolation wards converted. They are converted, and the outbreak is also increasing very fast. So more number of isolation ward is needed, and the common universities and schools, like any common places or streets, we can turn them into isolation ward. But we also need our politicians, the local politician areas, to control the crowd, where they come there and come for checkup for the better treatment.
Okay. Yeah.
So
Any more point? Yeah.
there is one more point that in this lockdown, the government officials, the higher rank,
Hmm.
they don't need that much of wages, so the government can lower their wages and use that money for the needs, for the essentials.
Can take a pay cut, right?
Yeah.
So government officials higher rank can take a pay cut. Yeah, I wrote. Okay. Yes, that's good. Any other point you have? So I'm repeating again. Lockdown extend at some places. Government convert the government buildings to healthcare building. Uh, higher government officials can take a pay cut. And one more point you had, or did I cover all?
So the politicians also, the local politicians.
Government
Uh,
officials, I think, will cover all. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. 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 So Team Malaysia, thank you. Let's move to Team USA. Yes, Team USA, you have raised your hand. Please unmute your mic.
Hello,
One
sir.
more.
Good morning to my fellow contestant.
Yeah.
So, in USA, we are seeing that the condition is going very bad day by day, as because of the lockdown is lockdown take very after many days when corona extend. But sir, we can control by we are seeing that in USA they are making drone scanner by using they can see the people are roaming or not and they can scan also. We are seeing that and we can making we can make the stadiums the football stadiums which they are very big into the isolation camp and for that we can control we can take by the
Someone music
by
playing. Please unmute. Please mute your mic so that there is no interference. You are only. Anyway, never mind. Yeah, please
can I
continue.
start.
Yeah. Yes.
So in USA the condition is very bad. Nowadays you can see in Google also you can search more than 50,000 people are dead there
Yep.
because the lockdown were applied very late. You can see that the big reason for the lots of death and lots of corona positive people are finded. And we in USA we can control nowadays also we can little bit control in very fast way by taking lockdown very strictly. Those who will come out of their house they will be fine a very heavy cost. That's why the and other people will be not come out from their house. If they come in the if they stay in their house they will save. And in their house they will stay and we can see that USA has made we have made a drone which scans people and they look also the people are roaming or not, who are roaming because of the government or the emergency purposes. They will scan also the drone also scan them they are safe or not. If they are not safe we are allowing to the hospital that we are taking to him or her to the hospital for the treatment. And in US you are seeing nowadays the beds and the medical facilities are going less, our shortage is coming. You are seeing, but
Mhm.
we can manage it also by extending by taking some medical facility from South Korea or China. Within few weeks they will give us the medical facility that the India which India has taken the
Mhm.
fast test up. And so we can make some stadiums also in the isolation camp and we can the people are less affected from the corona. We can take them to the stadium and they are more the people which are more dangerous or in ICU they can stay in hospital. That by separating two of them we can control the coronavirus. If the people both be stay together in a hospital they can transfer corona bacteria each of them, because we know that people never after high charges also people will broke the lockdown and the rules we are seeing in India also.
Mhm.
So we can make difference, we can divide them into two areas, the dangerous peoples or the isolation or the death in corona because of the coronavirus they can stay in hospital and the less affected people can stay in the uh, yeah,
Okay.
stadiums
Yeah.
and
Sure.
the Hajj.
Yeah. So basically
Hall.
separating the people,
Yes, sir.
say, who cannot stay in their house to the people who, let's say, can stay in the house. They can be
Yes, sir.
separated in different areas, like an evacuation, like a separation of the crowd altogether. Yeah, sure. Okay. Yeah. So then, yeah, Shaurya from Germany, representing Team Germany, raised your hand.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes, Kunal.
So I want to ask a little question from Team USA.
Kai,
Okay, I think question
May I?
will come later. Okay, okay, fine. You can ask question. Yeah. Yes. What is the question?
Yes, the Team USA, as you have said, you all can take help from South Korea and the country China. I think you all are not watching the news daily. But see that many countries are accepting orders from orders. I mean to say, medikits from China, and they are and they all are proving that the medikits and medical supplies that all China is sending is not of good quality. You want to say that from those not good quality products, you want to heal your countrymen? How?
sir, can I say
Yeah, yeah. Yes, please. Yes, answer. What?
that Kunal, you are seeing the news. The news are saying that Rajasthan, Maharashtra, and Delhi, the three states only has said that they are not equal. The China medical facility is wrong. The Kerala you can see he has the less number of corona team members, and they are saying they have never said that China treatment or the medical facility is wrong. They have taken.
Sir, may
You
I?
can see in the news.
Uh,
Sir, may I?
you want to ask question or
I have to object.
okay?
Sir, here is not the question of India, but the countries like China, countries like Spain, Belgium, France, they are, all are objecting. They are returning the products of China.
Mhm.
So we can't say that we can't take any risk about the countrymen of USA. I mean, they can't, they should not. If they will buy the kids mask or any medical facilities, they will heal their China's economy.
Okay. So
Yeah,
Sir, can
basically,
I
you are
say?
saying don't buy from China, but other countries might be okay, right?
Sir,
we
can
can
I say?
Yeah. Who?
uh, uh,
Please raise your hand so that I know who want to say, and maybe lower
uh,
your hand after you said, so that I
sir,
know that you have raised your hand
sir,
again.
sir, can I continue?
Yes. Yes, please.
Um, Sir, we can see the examples like Japan.
Uh-huh.
The best example of this is Japan. The Japan has taken a decision that the countries which are present in China, they are migrating their companies, any any sector, it's or IT sector or anything. They are giving the certain amount of money, like in Indian rupee, 15,000 crores, there to
Mhm.
come to their country,
Yeah.
to
To
their
remove
country.
the existing
Yeah,
companies from China,
from
right? Their
China.
branches. Yeah.
Yeah.
Correct.
Uh,
Yes. Who wants to speak? I think a few people have raised.
Sir,
USA. You
USA.
want to? Yeah. USA. Yes.
Sir, that they, if you are the taking, they are more noting the point. The points are you are saying that is right. We by buying the medical facility from China, we can raise the economics of China. Yeah, it is true. But nowadays we did not want to see the economic of other country. We have to save the life of the people, not the economic. People life is more important than the economic. Or I have not said that only China, South Korea, you can see in South Korea how they have managed the coronavirus.
Okay. So yeah. Come next. So I think USA. Just USA. You want to say something?
Answer the last point I want to say
Yeah.
that in USA we have to extend lockdown to the end of this year because the coronavirus never ends. That's the world scientist has said. You can see in the news also the coronavirus never come and to end, but we are finding the vaccine as per we are giving the facility of saving life also to the doctor. We are having shortage of medical facility. That's why we are buying medical facility from different countries as well as from India also. That
Okay.
HLC, hydrochloric acid vaccine.
Sure, sure. Okay. Yes, Shaurya from Germany, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you want to, what's your plan
Sir,
of action?
my plan is to extend the lockdown in the my team country Germany because it has more than 1,50,000 cases as I have researched, and lockdown should uh, increase everywhere because the place which are having higher cases should increase, and the place which are having lower cases should also increase, that no more new cases in come in
Okay,
front of us.
sure. Okay, so extend the lockdown. So extend the full lockdown or any changes in the current lockdown scenario.
No, no, as we are going we should go like this only.
So for Germany, like the way they are going, they should go like this till December.
Sir,
Yes.
Okay, okay, fine. Yes,
Akash from Team Malaysia.
yes, yeah.
Hello, sir.
Uh,
एक minute, I think Chandragupta first, then Akar can speak. Yes,
okay, sir.
Chandragupta. Yes.
Yes, sir. So, sir, as I'm representing North Korea, so
Mhm.
as no cases has been confirmed till now, so then also medical kits, and as we all know that hydroxychloroquine is being used to treat coronavirus, so it should be made available in all local hospitals and checkup centers, and all the local stadiums and grounds should be used for making checkups and for making checkup and treatment centers. And I'm also supporting to extend the lockdown as the places which are having a higher rate of cases should be should be following fully lockdown, and the places which are having a few cases should be made available some local facilities.
Okay.
Sir, may I object?
Yes. Yes, Akar.
Uh,
Sir, may I also?
Yeah, one by
sir,
one. Akar and then USA.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, sir.
Finish
We
sharing
know
your
that
screen.
North Korea is not a democratic country.
Mhm.
Okay, and how come we know that there is no corona cases?
Mhm.
Okay, so and there is no need of for this stadium isolation wards because there is no cases. They and from the Wikipedia article I have read that the North Korea is killing the ones who are affected. Okay,
Mhm.
How you know
and
that North Korea has no cases?
yeah, North Korea has no cases, but how can we confirm that there is no cases available there? Okay,
That's why I'm saying that
Check
that the local grounds should be available
in
for
Google.
treatment centers and
We
checkup centers.
Yeah, so I think what Chandragupta is saying, let me clarify, bring everybody to the same page. What he's saying is even if no cases or low number of cases, maybe the cases are not really in the public domain, how many cases. What he's saying is, we should be prepared. I mean, as a country's representative, we have to be prepared for the cases which may happen in future. Like in India
Yes,
also, I
sir.
think many places are ready for let's say patients who might be tested positive, although there might not have any cases of I mean, infected people so far. So I
Yes,
think
sir.
that's the point.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because prevention is better than cure.
correct. I mean, having some, it's like a plane, right? You get that life jacket, parachute, and things like that in the plane. It doesn't mean plane will fall, but it's good to keep those safety things. Yes, yes, Kunal, you have any comment now?
Sir, may I?
Yes, Shivam, bolo.
sir,
Sir, in South Korea, we are knowing that we are hearing that in news also they are showing that they are killing people because they have corona positive, and they
North
are
Korea.
not North Korea.
Yeah.
North Korea.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
Continue.
So
Yeah.
what they will say, how they will advise the earth to stay safe from the coronavirus. They are killing people, and we cannot kill the people because the peoples are like a god for us. in country.
So okay, so it's just it can be just a rumor. We don't know what is exactly happening. Is there a case? No case. They are not telling case. Killing people is an extreme thing. So some people are saying that maybe they are killing whoever is infecting, but we don't know for sure what is exactly happening.
Sir, but the international media is saying they have some hint. That's why they are saying something.
Yeah, we'll come to this media also as a one discussion point.
Sir, I have one point
Yes,
for our country.
yes.
Sir, till 27th April
Mhm.
and this year, we have an advantage that our country reports a total 5,820 confirmed cases,
Mhm.
in which uh, 1,764 are
Mhm.
active cases and 3,957 are recovered,
Okay.
and only 99 deaths are confirmed.
Yep.
So we can conclude that our people is cooperating with our government.
Okay.
So by this, if we influence, if we also influence by the help of the local officials, politicians, which influence the people for the extension of lockdown, uh,
Mhm.
so the conditions maybe get better.
Mhm. Okay. So your
Uh,
point is people are cooperating and things are moving in the right direction.
yeah,
And
because the active cases are low and the recovered cases are more.
okay, sure, sure. Okay. Arnav Sinha representing Portugal. Yes, Arnav.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Tell us.
Yes,
What
sir.
you want.
I'm representing Portugal, and I want to say that I want to extend the lockdown in some areas, and in some areas, in some fields where it's necessary, like like the economic crisis, and there will be more problems if I will extend the lockdown. And but there are many things like cinema halls and amusement parks. This can be closed. This and I extend lockdown in these things and schools, but because in schools students gather there and there are more chances of spreading this virus. So only industrial areas will be opened, and also in industrial areas only the essential areas, essential industries, not all industries.
Mhm.
And I want to take help of our technology and use drones to sanitize the zones where there are large number of cases twice a day, and we should encourage our people to not come out of their houses. We are enabling home delivery for groceries, and we want to just extend the lockdown in the unnecessary area, and in the
Mhm.
necessary
Okay.
areas we will open them.
Sure. I think it's one good point he has said, and I think that can be taken by some people who are building this drone also. That drones can be used to sanitize some areas also. One
Sir,
easiest. Yes, Akash.
sir, but the manufacturing of drone
Mhm.
should be in very large number of production. The production of it should be very large,
Mhm.
because the affection of this COVID-19 is very much is growing very fast,
Yeah.
and the production of drone isn't very much fast in some countries.
Yes,
Like,
I support this point.
Yeah, that's fine. So that's a execution part, right? So I think what Arno is saying right now that we can use drones also, so that not all humans are involved in sanitizing everywhere.
so there are many points, but possibilities. What are the possibilities? We should focus on that.
Yeah, yeah. So everyone is telling what they think. Uh, then the second part will be what can be done exactly or something. It's like that. So we're just taking the points. Obviously, uh, I think the
Sir,
execution.
excuse me, sir.
Yes, yes. Manish, right? Bolo.
Sir, according to the authority of
One by one.
Portugal.
Who wants to speak? Okay, just a second. I'm just muting everyone first. Just raise your hand and I'll unmute. Yeah, so I will unmute you. You cannot unmute now so that there is no confusion. Okay, so we have three people who want to speak. Manish, Samarjit. Samarjit is different country, India. Kunal. Okay, let me take Kunal's comment. Yes, Kunal.
Sir,
Kunal, you want to?
according
Yes.
to the authority of Portugal, he said extension of lockdown should not be followed. In case instead of the recovery rate is approx 1500 and the death cases is around 1000, why you are not going to increase the extension of lockdown? Instead of death cases, the rate of death cases is more than the recovering cases.
No, he said he'll increase, but partially, not fully. Yeah. Yes or no? You want to
Yes.
answer, please?
Yes, I want because like prevention is better than cure, as said. So that's why I want to extend the lockdown. But then some fields, like in agriculture, since there are many crops are being destroyed and there are many industrial fields are difficulties. Economy is also going down. So that's why I want to, and that also with some, like I said, that I want to take the so much responsibility. I want that every company, like every IT sector and that related to that company, I want that they can make some sanitizing tunnel which can be interfaced with every company's main gate, so that everyone who enters the boundary and or in the campus of the company and where the lockdown is not extended, so they can be they should be sanitized and then go to that country, and before sanitizing they should be tested also with
Okay.
temperature
We will come
sensor.
to another countries now. Samarjit, India, unmuting. Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Samarjit.
sir. Good morning.
Good
Good
evening.
afternoon.
Good
Good
afternoon.
evening, sir.
I think jo bhi hai. Chalo. Yes, Samarjit.
Sir, in our country, we should increase the lockdown because India has played a very good role that has also been appreciated by WHO. India is the only country in the world which started the supply of essential medical goods all over the country, and the most important medicine which has the highest demand by USA, hydrochloroquine. The decision of the lockdown in India was taken where there was only 10 cases in India. So we should we should keep going with increasing lockdown so that there will be very lesser case in India.
Okay. Manish, unmuting you. Yes, Manish.
Yes, sir. My question is to Team Portugal for the implementation of drone production. Sir, we have to produce drone in larger number in a very large scale to sanitize the whole country. For that, we need more manpower. So for manpower, the chances of getting the coronavirus spread in the factories are more. What would be the solution for this? I make question.
Arnav, you want to answer this or you want to pass? You can raise your hand. Arnav, yeah, okay. He wants to answer. Okay. Yes, Arnav. I'm unmuting you. Yeah.
Yes, I want to say that yes, for that as I said, when those industries will be open,
You are not audible.
Yeah, they hold your mic a bit closer.
Yes, now.
Yeah, now is better. Yes.
Yes, I want to say that as I told earlier that there will be a sanitizing tunnel in every industry gate, and all the workers will be tested with the temperature sensor because it's very easy to test with them sensors, and then they will be allowed to enter. So that's why we will take all the precautions before that. And then some industries there are automated machines also, but as automated machines is not possible in every industry, so that's why we'll take precautions also,
Mhm.
because we have to uh, do something. We can't stay
Ideal.
we only, yes, to means to reduce the spread.
Sure, sure. I think what you can also do is, just use some drones, and other places humans can also do, like
Yes,
help, like.
in the drones will be used in most the places which is the most dangerous place, because there the workers can also be affected by chance.
Mhm.
They also play precautions, but by chance no one knows. So
Correct.
that's why in those areas drones can be used,
Yeah.
the most affected places.
Yeah. We had Devyansh from Singapore. Yes, Devyansh, I'm unmuting you. Sorry,
Good
unmute.
afternoon, sir.
Yes, Devyansh.
So in Singapore, there are 16,000 16,169 cases and 14 deaths. So, sir, I want to extend in this situation. I want to continue the lockdown for 1 month, and I want to wait for 1 month lockdown report. So then I want to extend the lockdown after the report of 1 month.
Mhm. Okay. So you're saying you will extend month by month instead of
Yes, sir.
declaring longer
Yes, sir.
lockdown right away, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good. Devyansh, Noel. Yeah, Pratyush. Yes, Pratyush. Yes, Pratyush. Your mic is not working. No, you are not audible, Pratyush. I think what you can do is exit and enter the meeting again. Sometimes that can be an issue. Moving to the next person. Uh, Shivam wants to say something. Yes. Yes, Shivam. Yeah. Yes. Yes,
So
Shivam.
as the Singapore said that they have to extend lockdown only for 1 month, then they will see the report and then they will decide for the future plan.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Shivam, right?
Sir,
Yes,
so
Shivam. Yes. Yes.
Sir, so the people of Singapore, we hope they will take as a hope that after 1 month they will have a freedom of roaming outside and they will meet their family.
Mm-hmm.
And if they state that after 1 month they will extend lockdown for 1 month, as we see in India, in Mumbai, a
Mm-hmm.
great example that people has come to a Badra railway station for going to their home after extending the lockdown. At the same position will happen in the Singapore also after 1 month, and they will have the great chance of spreading coronavirus in large number.
Okay. Singapore, who was speaking? You want to answer this or you want to pass? Raise your hand, please. I think not raising the hand. Okay, we'll go to the next person. Akar Raj, Malaysia. Just a second. Unmute. Yes, Akar.
In this drone drone production, I have one point that if we are checking the affected persons for the production of drone.
Mm-hmm.
So as we know that Portugal's population isn't that much,
Mm-hmm.
so the men can also provide the essentials, because in drone the electricity power and many more things will be needed. and Portugal isn't that isn't that big country that you will need that much of drones facilities. The In some areas, the men or anyone can uh, can give essentials for the needy ones.
Okay, yeah. So you're saying sanitizing as well as essentials they
Yeah.
can use. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Point taken. Okay. Okay. Devyansh wanted to answer, I think. Uh, I think he lowered his hand. Probably. Okay, we'll come to him later. Chandragupt, you want to say something? Unmute. Yes. Chandragupt, are you there?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes. Follow.
Am I audible to you?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Yes. Then, sir, I'm having a point that if that that sorry that the
Yeah.
Portugal said that they will extend the lockdown for sorry, sir, who said that they will extend the lockdown for 1 month and then they will see the report
Singapore.
and take the further action? Yes, sir,
Singapore.
Singapore.
Yeah.
So, sir, if if it sorry, sir, I'm unable to make it clear. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So,
Hindi.
sir,
You can speak in Hindi. No
ओके
problem.
सर देन
हाँ,
सर
बताओ.
अगर हम लोग सबको इन्फॉर्म पहले से ही कर देंगे कि अगर सर 1 महीने के सर अगर 1 महीने की लॉकडाउन पूरा होने के पहले ही कहीं अगर हम लोग रिपोर्ट देख लेंगे और पहले से सबको इन्फॉर्म कर किया जा सकता है कि लॉकडाउन आगे भी फर्दर बढ़ेगा तो सर ये सर तो सर सब लोग सर क्यों निकलेंगे बाहर एंड सर एंड यही सर अगर जैसे सर कोई भी सर से लॉ फॉलो नहीं कर रहा है ना ही कोई फाइन से डर ना कोई चीज से डर रहा है तो सर इफ दे आर नॉट सर स्कैर्ड ऑफ कोरोना वायरस तो सर दे देन सर उन लोग को सर जो सर कोरोना वायरस से इन्फेक्ट हो चुके हैं या फिर जो क्वारंटाइन सेंटर में है उनका सर उनको सर उनके सर हेल्प के लिए अपॉइंट कर लेना चाहिए एंड देन सर दिस वुड बी द सर it would be the best punishment for them.
Not punishment. I think what you're saying is people who are not scared can help out as volunteer. People who are
Yes, sir.
scared can
They
be
should be
helped. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
two
They could
kinds
be.
of
They
people.
should be taken then as the volunteer because that is that.
Correct, correct. So people who are not scared can help the people who are scared, kind of. Right? Easy version to put. ये जो
Yes,
नहीं
sir. They
डर रहे हैं
sir,
उनको
they should be taken
ग्रोसरी
as a
लाने
volunteer.
में, हेल्थ केयर को साफ सफाई में, पेशेंट को देखने में, और
Yes,
भी
sir. So,
जगह
sir, this would
खेती
be the
बाड़ी में.
best punishment for them.
Punishment I will not say, but I think this can be a volunteer work at least. You know, जिनका
Yes, sir. So, sir, they will
leader,
follow
like
the rules
leading.
of the lockdown.
Yeah. I mean, they will follow the rule as well as. I mean, if they still want to get out of their home, they can get out as volunteer, not as a
Yes, sir.
freelance moving here and there. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Chandra. एक सेकंड मुझे देखने दो. Whoever hasn't spoken so far. Gurnoon Kaur. Okay, I'm unmuting you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. बताओ.
Sir, I'm from Team India, so I want to say that India should extend lockdown because, as we know, that Narendra Modi has got global recognition for extending the lockdown. If we compare USA and India, India had extended the lockdown when it had 10 cases, and USA had did very late. So now we can see that India has much lesser cases than USA, and the cases in USA have gone to lakhs. So even India has less medical facilities also. So if we compare to with other countries, we have to be more safer than them. So India should extend lockdown.
Okay, ठीक है, point taken. Next we have Shivam. Yes, Shivam, unmuting you.
Sir, has she has said that India should extend lockdown, and India has taken the decision of lockdown as faster than the USA, and we are seeing that today the USA condition is very bad.
Shivam, right? Yeah, I think you are muted or something. Okay, unmuting again. Yes, Joe.
Yes, sir. Can I
Yes.
say?
Yes. Don't hit mute button. You're hitting mute button, maybe. No, I'm unmuting you. Yeah. Yes.
Sir.
You speak, please.
Sir, in Jharkhand, the best example of India's situation. In Jharkhand, you can go to any newspaper, you can ask from any doctor. In Jharkhand, the testing facility is very not so good, but in Jharkhand, they have only checked more than uh, 5 to 10,000 people only in Jharkhand, and they are saying that we have any less amount of coronavirus people. You can also notice that we are living in Jamshedpur. No one comes to our house for taking this survey. They are saying it's a best example. And as per their, and a boy has said that India has taken the decision of lockdown when the number of people cases in India was only 10. But and USA
So what
has
you're
taken
saying
the
is people are not checked so much, so the numbers
no,
are
sir.
not
The
so.
government, the central is doing their work very goodly, but the local state governments are not doing. As we have the best example of Jharkhand and Maharashtra, the condition is very bad, and also in Bihar, you are seeing.
Yeah.
And so they have said that India has taken the decision of lockdown when the members are only the peoples. 10 peoples are only affected by the coronavirus, and US has taken after when large amount of people has affected by the coronavirus. But you can see in India now more than 30,000 people are affected from coronavirus, and USA they have the more large more extension of coronavirus has taken afraid or फैल गया था. So now he is coming in control. That's why the USA is the best country he is controlling nowadays. After making a mistake, they have सुधारना जो है in the word we are say
कर रहे हैं, ठीक है.
सुधार करना या सुधार करके अपना ये कोरोना वायरस के अफेक्टेड पीपल का अमाउंट धीरे करके लेस हो रहा है और इंडिया में वही अभी एक्सटेंड हो रहा बढ़ रहा है. भले वहां पे इंडिया में रेड जोन की संख्या कम हो रही है, but in the number of people of coronavirus affected are getting larger and larger day by day. We are seeing as example in news, more than 1,000 people are affected from coronavirus per day in India, and 50 to 60 people are dead. And best example is Maharashtra. We can see in Mumbai more than 5,000 people are affected from corona. And the world largest slum, Dharavi, has taken also more than 5 to 6,000 people are affected. No, sorry, 300 to 400.
Okay, sure. Let me give some other people chance. Taraya from Japan, जो जिसने अभी तक नहीं बोला है. Are you still here, Japan? Taraya, unmuting you. You have to accept that unmute. Anyway, we'll go to Norway. Siddhesh.
Hello.
Yes, Siddhesh. Taraya, you are here. Okay, just a second. Norway muting you. Taraya, yes, Taraya.
So good evening, sir.
Yeah.
So as all the countries are in serious conditions, so everybody is thinking to bring like changes type lockdown and all, but nobody is nobody is not some are not giving attention to the medical this one. So first thing I would tell that the use of robots can be useful in medical facilities. Like there would be less cases and doctor wouldn't be affected so much.
Okay.
So
use of robots. Anything else you want to say? Yeah, one thing only.
Yes, sir. My second point is shop should be like half open, sir. Every shop should be half open. Because if it wouldn't have opened, who will buy things, they will give money to the vendors, and vendors wouldn't buy anything from the government, and the money would be in the between government and payers. So the money will not go to the government, and it will become economic crisis in the country. So shop should be open, but not completely open. Partially open it should be.
Okay.
Then in case of doctors like we can give shifts for them, so that because all doctors are not getting rest these days, so we can give like shifts for doctors.
Yeah.
And my last point is that whoever violates this one should be punished or fined, and they should be severely punished. That and they should keep the record. The government should keep the record that this much they have collected, and that they can use it to the country's funds.
Yeah. Okay. That's also a good point. I think that collect
Thank
heavy fine from the people who violate law, and that money can be used as a relief fund. Okay. Yeah, I'm actually trying to pick new people now. Norway, Siddesh. I will come to the old people also, but let the new people speak. Yeah, Norway, Siddesh. I'm unmuting you. Yes.
Sir,
Yes, Siddesh.
first of all, good morning. I think it's good afternoon.
Good
So,
afternoon.
as you know that Norway is a very cold region, and mode of transmission of coronavirus is much in cold region. So I will recommend full lockdown in Norway, as the population of Norway is also not much large or big, and the economy of Norway is also much stable. So I will recommend 1 to 3 months full lockdown.
Okay. Norway, 3 to 4 months. Okay. Anything else you want to say for Norway?
No.
That's all. Thank you. Okay. Next, we have anyone who hasn't spoken. Pratyush, India. Okay. Pratyush, yes, Pratyush. Are you here, Pratyush? Okay. Who else has raised the hand? Amrit Raj. Yes, Amrit Raj. You are not. Yes, Amrit.
Hello.
Yes, Amrit.
Sir, good evening to everyone. Good afternoon, sorry.
Okay.
As we spoke, that there are many cases of coronavirus in the whole world and the India also. South Korea is also a country that could be affected by coronavirus.
Mm-hmm.
So, as we already know that South Korea is a developed country, so coronavirus case is not very much, but it can extend. So
You are from South. You are representing South Korea.
yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Continue.
So we can say that there will be not more spread of coronavirus, but it can affect. It will be. It can affect South Korea. Coronavirus can affect South Korea. So we could use machinery items like drones and robots to secure people. Lockdown should be extended there.
Mm-hmm.
And medical facilities, people should be aware. We should give tablets to poor people like paracetamol, extra, and we can deliver small things like machinery items, home essentials, etc.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. Okay. Okay. ठीक है. Thank you. Okay. Akar Raj, Malaysia.
Yes, sir.
बताओ.
Sir, I have questions for 3 countries.
Okay.
First of all, India. India has, sir, I appreciate the efforts India is putting for the lockdown. Okay, but what about if if India is cured, even if India is cured from the COVID-19 this virus, what about the economy of the country? As PM Narendra Modi has um, uh, he has cost. I mean, the budget of the country is not
Mhm.
very. सर वो बजट नहीं हो पा रहा है ना सर, बजट हिल गया है इनका,
Mhm.
इंडिया का पूरा बजट हिला हुआ है अभी सर. आफ्टर द लॉकडाउन व्हाट अबाउट द इकोनॉमी ऑफ द कंट्री? द पीपल विल सफर फॉर द जॉब, द wages will be low, the production will be
That's
low.
fine. I think that will become a topic on economy.
Yeah,
So here
and
we are more like just thinking, talking, lockdown extension, no extension.
sir,
What things can be done?
sir, and India, what about the mosque one case, that Tablighi Jamaat?
Yeah, I think that those things can be separate topics of discussion. This is just, I mean, on this discussion we just discuss lockdown, continue, discontinue,
Yeah,
or a
and
third option.
Japan, sir. Sir, Japan. And for Japan,
Japan?
sir. As Japan, we know, is a developed country, very much developed country. Uh, but the point of robot is ridiculous, sir. So it's very ridiculous. The develop that the technology is not developed that robots can give essentials to the poor. Sir, what is the guarantee for the robots are safe or they will not be broken? If they malfunction, what will be happen?
Mhm.
So we need manpower for this service.
Okay.
And for the South Korea is already cured from the COVID-19, but they have to take prevention. The it's not lockdown is they have released the lockdown. There is no point of increasing the lockdown. They have already released the lockdown. They should have do some research also.
Yeah, okay, so they don't have any okay, fine, that's okay. Okay, we'll move to another. I think okay, it's 4 o'clock. Let's see who else hasn't spoken. I mean, which country hasn't spoken? Okay, France. Shibham Singh. Yes, Shibham. Are you here, Shibham? He's not here. No, I'm seeing any new country people. I think it's all same country people. Oh, Shivam is back. Yes, Shivam. Are you here? Shivam Singh, France. Never mind. Yes, Shivam, can your mic not working? I think your mic is not working somehow. Anyway, okay.
Hello.
Yes. Okay, Abhi.
Hello.
Yes, Shivam. Yes.
Yes,
Please talk
sir.
about France. Yeah.
Sir, so what about France? I would extend the lockdown for indefinite time because we don't know that which pay, uh, we will
हिंदी
extend.
हिंदी बोल दो इंग्लिश में दिक्कत हो रहा था
No, sir. I'm comfortable in English.
Okay.
So, I will extend the lockdown for indefinite time. Because until not a single patient comes to that COVID-19 hospital, because we don't know that what at what extent the people have uh, acquired that COVID-19. So, but we have also to manage the economy of our France. So we will open that liquor shop. We have decided that we will open the liquor shop because liquor is one of the most right way to improve our economy. Will not say that with a large amount the improvement will be there, but a slight improvement will be there. So we will just open the lockdown, and as we have very big stadiums in our country of football and rugby, so we will make that stadiums as the quarantine center, and we will make sure that the lockdown is not violated, and if there are some people who are violating that lockdown, so we'll take strict action against them, as in UP in India. Yogi Adityanath ji has put NSA on that people, so we'll also try to make such act to the people who are just violating the lockdown.
Okay.
That's all. And so I want to, sir,
yes.
so that Team Malaysia has said that robot can't be used because the malfunctioning is something like that. So I want to ask that uh, in India, 15% of the cases is for the COVID warriors, is of the COVID warriors, because they are just coming in contact with the COVID patients, and um, so they are acquiring the coronavirus. So what about their health? Yes, sir.
Sure. I think a lot of questions are unanswered, but let's look at the good side. I'm happy. I think a lot of people are speaking up now. Last 2 weeks, I think most people were silent, and I think previous sessions also not a lot of people spoke, which is a good thing. Okay, so I think we are running out of time for today, so we'll continue this discussion again next Thursday. But it doesn't prevent us from doing the discussion on the WhatsApp group. So what I suggest everybody is consolidate all your questions for different countries and put as a single message in the WhatsApp. Don't do too many messages, otherwise things will get too much blurred. So what you do is just write, make a text message of all your questions and put in the WhatsApp group. So by default, the next session will be Thursday. But if we have a lot of questions and a lot of answers, maybe we can do one, let's say just before. Okay, third is the. Okay, we'll see. I mean, maybe we'll do one before Thursday also, maybe Monday or something. And by that time, we also know what's the India situation is. Okay. So ये हो गया. So stay with your country, and yeah, I think thank you very much for your time today. We'll end this video conferencing thing, but do write all your questions in the WhatsApp group. If anybody is not in the WhatsApp group, especially the ones who are from outside school, you can ask your friend to join this group using the WhatsApp link. Okay. And if there is still a problem, I'm just putting my number also in the chat box. You can just ping me. 97481 is my number. Okay. I'm ending this meeting today. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you.